Sure. Okay, here we go. So this is the melon. We're trying to find out what it is. And this is the inside. There you go. And it is freaking delicious. But that's what it looks like inside. Yeah. Right there. It's got little black seeds, I think. We're gonna keep the seeds. So we're gonna. I gotta go get some potting soil.
Yeah, I'll get some good soil.
Get some good soil. We're gonna see if we can.
Because I don't know how well it's gonna like our clay here.
But yeah, they're like seeds, and they got this, and it's honestly, it tastes so bloody good, doesn't it, darling?
I'm about to find out. I haven't had it for a long time now, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, does it still like? Yeah, these are the seeds.
The seeds.
Does it still taste like coffee chocolate to me? I taste like coffee chocolate to me. Like it almost tastes like mocha.
I've got a cold right now, so my.
Oh right, yeah.
So, but I mean, it tastes very good. It tastes melony. It's good, yeah.
Let me taste.
There.
Yeah, see. Tastes like mocha to me.
Oh yeah, so I can't really taste it right now. Well, I can taste a little bit, but. That's good.
So they're nice because you can get the seeds off nice. The flesh off the seeds really easily. Like really easily. Because Malcedas gave us these too.
Yeah, they're tete de cocha, I think.
I don't know, but they're freaking delicious. And these are the same inside. They're like fleshy, but this.
We can cut one too.
The flesh on these is more peachy, I would say, like a peach.
There's not a lot of like this too. There's not a lot of like. It's not like a melon, like a muskmelon or anything. And this had like wedges.
Yeah, it's like
and you just suck the.
But the flesh is like a peach.
Yeah, it's kind of See.
You better with a spoon, but getting a spoon in there. But
I was just gonna do that. I thought the one they cut open there had had wedges, kind of. But oh yeah, it does. I think yeah. I just cut it the wrong way probably. Yeah. You have to forgive me because I'm not exactly sure. But the best way to do this is it's almost like a pumpkin. That's what I find it kind of a.
Oh. It's really sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
And that's a big pip.
It's kind of fibrous, but you just suck it off.
Yeah, like a peach.
Suck a.
Well, no, it's almost like a mango, papaya maybe? Papaya?
Kinda. It's really good.
It's delicious.
Got a nice light, sweet taste, yeah.
So we got to keep those seeds too. So we can get some of these growing.
Yeah, see, it's a big wedge-shaped seed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah,
they're good.
They are delicious. But this, we are trying to find the name. Nobody seems to know the bloody name. So we're gonna
grow on a vine.
Yeah, they grow on a vine.
Like Alcides' house in the mountains. They grow up in the trees.
Yeah.
They climb the trees and hang between the trees on a vine. It's a really fairly thin vine that they hang from.
Yeah.
These, I'm not sure how these grow. So we didn't see them. He brought them up.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I've taken it. They probably grow on a vine too, but I don't know.
But yeah, if anybody knows what this is.
Yeah, we've asked and asked and asked.
And even the Costa Ricans.
The Costa Ricans, if you ask them what it is, they always just say melon, which is melon, which is a general.
But it tastes, honestly, to me, it tastes like coffee and chocolate. Like, it's so blooming delicious.
They're really good.
And they're, so good.
We cannot find a name for them. And you don't see them sold at the stores or the markets.
Never seen them.
The only place we've ever seen them is Alcides in the mountains. He grows them, yeah.
So we are going to get some good potting soil, and we're going to see if we can get these to grow, because they are freaking awesome. Okay, pura vida from beautiful Costa Rica.
Pura vida.